Hurry up. Here we go. Ashley.
Hey, no, Ruger.
Come on.
Ruger.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, dear Ashley. Happy birthday to you.
Alright, way to get on
Spark in my eye.
How old are we?
25.
I remember that about 90 years ago.
No, Ruger. Okay, so everybody gets to take a cupcake if they want one.
Oh, we're going to have one, aren't we?
Here, Emily.
So
Oh, that's
good.
kind of like a sparkler, isn't it?
It is sparkler,
Oh, okay.
See, it's okay, Ruger. It's fine. She didn't cry.
She was singing.
Oh.
Happy birthday.
It's up there.
Dude,
No, here it is.
Ashley, can you go tell Ashley happy birthday?
Happy birthday, Ashley. Where's that bag? Somebody got mine around the fireplace. Or the fire. The bag, that bag, Abby, is sitting right there.
Ashley,
Before
smile.
we give you your gift, you do understand the economy's been kind of rough.
Her bag, that bag.
I'm going to go get it right now.
Okay. I didn't know if you knew where it was.
Yeah, it's sitting on the table.
This is good.
Yeah, I'd like one. Oh, I thought she grabbed one when I came by.
Looking for a reason to cook, you know. Anybody's anniversary, birthday, know somebody that died today?
Oh, you getting you a chair, Emily? You're joining the crowd.
All right.
Good girl. Oh, that's your grandma. Oh, okay. She's thinking about you, Carol.
Okay.
She pulled you up a chair.
Yay, thank you.
Right.
I don't know what you did last year. Just run right to the pawn shop with her stuff.
I learned my lesson. You don't get that much for it.
Good, huh, Emily?
Yeah.